Hey guys, so a quick update here regarding the upcoming Armor 23 Ultra. Ulefone disclosed at the IFA 2023 events that took place in Berlin that they've actually redesigned the Armor 23 Ultra. This is what it looks like before on the left, and this is what it looks like right now. Some of its specs has been changed as well. According to the new specs released by Ulefone, the Armor 23 Ultra, which is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, would now be powered by the Dimensity 8020, which is great. The 8 Gen 1 is known for its overheating issues. I think that's probably the reason why Ulefone redesigned and rebuilt the Armor 23 Ultra. Some of its other specs has been changed as well. Before, the device is said to have 16 GB RAM, but now it's going to have 12 GB RAM and it's going to support virtual RAM expansion of up to 12 GB. Its internal storage is also going to be 256 GB. Before it is 1 TB. Now it's 256 GB. It has been changed, but it's still going to support a two-way satellite messaging. The device, according to Ulefone, would have a 50MP flagship main camera, 50MP ultra wide angle camera, 64MP night vision camera, and an 8MP telephoto lens. This combination is insane. This is just insane. The device will also be backed by a 4950 mAh battery. It's going to support 120 watts fast charging and 50 watts super fast wireless charging. The device would also run on the latest Android 13. Its thickness is 12.75 millimeters. It's going to support 3 card slots, which is great. That is, you can use 2 SIM cards on this phone and a micro SD card separately. The phone is also going to support 5G connectivity because the Dimensity 8020 is a 5G processor. The device is still packed with tons of cool features, guys. And of course, the device would be rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also going to be military grade standard H10H certified. These specs have been changed, but it doesn't change the fact that the Armor 23 Ultra would still be a flagship beast when it is released. I don't know when it's going to be released, but it's still going to be a flagship beast. So this is just the quick update I want to share with you guys. What do you think about this new Armor 23 Ultra? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more new updates, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.